Alright guys, welcome. Today I'm doing some Doritos chicken. Alright, so I got some eggs, I got some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, some seasoned panko, I got some Doritos, I got some nice chicken breasts. So I'm gonna go ahead now and cut these up in some strips, season them with my seasoning, batter them in the egg, put them in my panko, and bake these. These are gonna be lovely guys, so stick around and watch me walk you through this one real quick. Alright, first I'm going to just cut these in some strips. Alright, just like that. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead, add salt and pepper and our seasoning. I'm sure we season that bad boy real good. So give it a quick mix. Alright, set that aside. Now we're going to go ahead and crush these, mince them. You could use a blender, a rubber coupe, food processor, your hands. However, we're just going to turn these into powder. Alright guys, so we got our Doritos with our panko powdered. Got our chicken well seasoned. We got some egg wash. We're going to beat this together. Then we're going to start by adding our chicken and our egg, then in our panko. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and bake these. We're now going to go ahead and bake these at 380 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Alright. Alright guys, so that's it. That's what we're looking for guys. Nice, well, crispy Doritos chicken. Alright, let's split this up and enjoy this guys. Right. Alright guys, that's it. Beautiful Doritos chicken guys. Yum. Enjoy this one guys.